To create 3D text or logo, you can use Adobe Illustrator. On the artboard in Illustrator, I've created a solid color layer for the background. The first step, prepare a vector image or text that you want to make a 3D design. Because I want to make 3D text, I use the Type tool, and I'll type TNOTM. After that, set the position and size of the text. The next step, I will block the text, and then I'll choose the color for the text and font I want to use. So that the text is not too close. Adjust the spacing between the text. If everything is set up correctly, select Window in the menu, and then select 3D and Materials. FYI, the 3D and Materials feature, only available in Adobe Illustrator 2021 or latest version. In 3D type, I choose Infinite. If it is selected, go to the Materials settings. Open Properties settings. For Infinite, I changed the value to 0.63. And for Metallic, 0.2. The next step, open the Lightning settings. In Intensity, I changed the value to 97%. Rotations 90 degrees. Height 48 degrees. Softness 90%. And next, activate the toggle on shadows. For the shadow bounce value, I change it to 260%. And now, we need to render it. And this is a temporary result. If we want to change the color of the text, then the AI system will re-render it automatically. If everything is correct, we can immediately export the project as usual, and the result will look like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.